broken dream. I'll make these lies inside my head feel like they're my reality. No, I'm not holding on, not holding on. There's a prayer to show up on. Not holding on, not holding on. Beautiful mistakes I'll make inside my head. Using you in my bed. And I will lie awake. Making beautiful mistakes. Okay, hi, my beautiful people. Hi, my most amazing people. How are we doing today? I'm so sorry, my system is a bit kicking me in the leg, but I am finally here. I'm really very late. I've been trying to work it out here and there. So sorry about that. I'm so sorry for keeping you waiting, but here we are. So since we have already wasted a lot of time, let us get into it. Let us work it out, and then we see how to cover the lost time. All right. So good to have you, all. Thank you for waiting on me. We are already into it. Let us trade at a pullback over here. Okay, so binary options trading is what we are having. Pocket option broker, that is a platform that I am trading on. Look at a plus over there. So that simply means that we are definitely locked in. So let us get rolling. All right. Joshua is in the building. Hi, Joshua. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. How is it going? How is that side? Hope all is well. How is trading taking you? With our continuation over here. Okay. Beautiful. So over there we have created a higher high. Let's see how it's going to be. So with market structure, we definitely create highs and the lows. All right. We look at for an uptrend, we definitely look at the higher highs and the higher lows. So we come through, we look at our market properly, we analyze our market, and definitely through that, we know what to do, we know what is going on in the market. I trade using price action as my strategy. Whenever I talk about the higher highs and the higher lows, you just know that definitely we are the the price action as my strategy. So definitely let us get onto our feet, guys. All right. Over there, Joshua is in the building. Cat Lover. Hi, my dear. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. I'm really so sorry, guys. Today, my system disturbed me a lot to a point where we've been wanting to let today's session go. But I insisted because every day that we come here, we catch up, we do a bit of trading here and there. You never know. Definitely, we move away with something added on to us, right? Okay, so look at that. Look at that. Close in a loss. Penny Paul, hi my darling, how are you doing? It has been a while. How is it going over that side? Hope it's all going well. Gideon is in the building. Hi Gideon, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Okay. Let's see with our pullback over here, our pullback entry. So yesterday we had a friend in the comment section who wanted to know about the alligator indicator. Ooh, look at that. Sorry about that. Definitely closed in a loss, but we keep going. We keep going still in an uptrend, right? It looks like we are breaking below. So let's see. Okay. Sorry about that. Are we better now? Vanakam, Vanakam, Vanakam. That is Sanjay in the building. Hi, my Sanjay. How are you doing today? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. With the sound, let me hope we are okay now. Let me hope we are doing great. Okay, so let me see. Who do we have over here? That is Lucky. Hi, Lucky. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Guys, we've lost some time, but okay. Let us use what we have on our hands. I do not know, but yesterday we had a brother over here who wanted to know about the alligator indicator. I do not know if you have already you have already clocked in. I want to go through it faster before we go in for our donations. Since we are late, that means that we need to jump onto it. Okay, Evans. Hi, Evans. What's up? What's up? What's up? All right. So today we are basically going to just look at the indicators. Let me take you through the indicators because I've been seeing a few people here and there asking about them. That is for Evans Habib. Yes, my darling. I went off. I had some technical issues here and there, but here I am. Here I am. Sanjay, today market looking so bad. Oh, that is Sanjay's analysis. What did the others say? Before I make my conclusion, what did the others say about today's market? Chat with me. Let me know such that we get ready for what we are entering into. But either way, we keep analyzing the market where we get some amazing entries or the opportunities, then we strike in. Okay. Okay, that is Ben. Yes, my dear. That is Summer over there. Good to have you. Good to have you. Okay. So, guys, slightly, let me take you through the alligator indicator. All right. So, the alligator indicator is a very easy indicator to use as a trader. Okay. We look at just a few things, nothing really complicated about the alligator indicator. Okay. Okay, so one thing you should know is that an alligator indicator is a trend following indicator that helps traders, you and me, identify whether the market is trending or ranging and which direction the trend is moving. Are we in an uptrend, a downtrend, or in consolidation? Okay. So one thing you should know, okay, we are doing this as, oh, look at that. Like Sanjay said, today's market, we need to take more time to understand it. We need to take more time to understand it. Okay, so over there, a bullish entry, let's see. Beautiful. Okay, so when using the alligator indicator, of course, we are into binary options. Don't look at the lines as an automatic buy or sell. All right. Remember, we have three lines. We have the green line, the red line, and the blue line. So we should not focus so much as we should not look at the lines as an automatic buy or sell signal. First, identify the market direction. Remember, I told you these indicators back my strategy up, which is price action. So as we are trading, of course, the indicator is going to help us in one way or the other. Okay, so before you actually place in an entry, first identify what direction are you in. Are we in an uptrend, downtrend, or consolidation? So if the lines are tangled, the market may be in consolidation, or the market may be in consolidation, or it may be consolidating. So when these three lines begin separating, a trend may be developing. Okay, they could be separating to the upside or separating to the downside. Remember, we have talked about them being tangled, which is most of the times consolidation. So when you see those three lines tangled, in your mind you should have it that we are into a consolidating state or a consolidating market. So when you see them separating, they can separate the upside or to the downside. That simply means that a trend, it could be an uptrend or a downtrend, is developing. Then use the price action. The price action, where we are basically, of course, where we are going to have the market direction, the market structure. Okay, so you use those to confirm. Okay, you look at those to confirm the entries that you're going to be making. The alligator indicator is basically a tool for understanding the direction. It helps you understand the direction that you are moving in, which I mentioned earlier. Are you in an uptrend, a downtrend, or so? It's not a guarantee. Okay, it does not give you the guarantee of what the next candle will do. So the alligator indicator basically does not tell you that, okay, over here we are, the next candle formation is going to be this. It is just guiding you. And of course, market direction and market structure are very, very important to consider in your learning of the alligator indicator and how they are going to be helping you. Okay, so we have a few things here. Of course, when we look at the bullish direction, which I mentioned earlier, we are looking at the market direction, market structure, and all that. So if price is moving above the alligator, and the faster lines are positioned above the slower lines, it can support a bullish bias. Over there, we are definitely going to look at a bullish bias, of course, a bullish direction. Okay, so over there, you would then look for a price action confirmation rather than entering simply because the lines have crossed. Okay, if you are looking at the alligator indicator, when the lines cross, let me give an example. We have three lines. The green is above the red and the blue line. Okay, it does not mean that over there it's okay, you place in an entry. Okay, it does not mean that run and place in an entry. First, give it some time and confirm, are we really in a bullish direction? Are we moving in the right direction before you actually place in your entries? If you see a signal that, okay, over here we are starting to move to the upside, we are sorry, a bullish direction is developing in that particular moment, run back. Okay, make sure that at least you first run back to your strategy. Look at what the direction is, look at the market structure as well. Then there you can feel free to place in an entry. That's why, excuse me, my throat is also acting up. I don't know why. Today looks like it started off on a very, very good note. But anyways, let us keep moving. You know, your girl Lena is never a negative person. We are all in for positivity. Okay, so as you see over here, all right, the blue line is above the red and the green line. But remember, using the alligator indicator, we consider so much the green line, all right, because it's the one that is supposed to is the one that is supposed to cross these lines to give us a clear picture of what direction we are moving in. We as traders, we need to move on understanding the direction we are in and then the structure that is taking place. All right. So the alligator indicator helps us in the market, in identifying the market direction. Okay. Then also, if we are in that particular direction, how strong is that direction? When we have as strong as are these three lines fully separated, that simply means that we are having some good momentum over there. So if we are in an uptrend, just like we are picking up right about now, if we have these three lines fully separated, okay, that gives us good momentum. To the upside we buy, to the downside we sell. But at the end of the day, remember, I have explained to you that the strategy that you are using, okay, you need to always be running to it and see what it's telling you. Are we really in a clear, are we having a clear market structure, a good direction for us to be actually striking into the market? You need to consider all those things, not just determining using the alligator indicator. It helps, but do not conclude on it for you to place in your entries. Okay, so let me hope we have understood that. In case of anything, please let me know. Okay, so over here you are seeing the three lines fully separated. There we are building some strong momentum. Okay, we are building some bearish momentum. All right, so over there definitely you need to be placing in your sell positions. And then, of course, like I keep saying, pullbacks do not hesitate to come through, but you have to keep looking at your market structure, market direction, for you to not be caught off guard as you place in your entries. In case of anything about the indicator, please let me know. Let me know. Okay. Okay, Babo, good to have you, good to have you. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. That is when. Okay, when. Hi, when. What's up? What's up? Civility. Good to have you. How is it going? Okay, that is Opobo. Okay. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Arsen, good to have you, good to have you in the building. M. Hassan, hi, what's up, what's up? How is it going? Okay, Sanjay, thank you for that. Rufus, Lena, you're actually trading for a long time. Trading for a long time. Yes, I've been into trading for a long time, 5 years plus, right? That is how long I've been into the market. Okay, so just getting into it, we see how to go about with our donations. No. Took it so far to keep you close. I was afraid to leave you on your own. Okay. All right. We are taking it for that is 2 items. Let us get started. Godwin is in the building. Hi, Godwin. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you guys. Let us pick on our vibes and let us wish good luck to our participants. That is Asikan. Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Look at that. Look at that. Right about now, we are in with our donations. We start off with a buy position over here. I didn't notice cause my love was blind. Said I'd catch you if you fall. And if they laugh and fuck them all. Sanjay, at some point, I'm on your side. I'm on your side, but let us keep being positive. Let us keep being positive. Thank you, Godwin. Thank you, Godwin. Guys, we keep it positive and we shall definitely close in. We shall go away victorious. Let us have this for Colton. We need a plus. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oof. Our first participant. You don't have to say just what you did. I already know. I had to go and find out from them. So tell me how's it feel? Tell me how's it feel sitting up there, feeling so high, but you go and hold me. You know I'm the one who puts you up there. Paint in the sky doesn't ever get lonely. Thinking you could live without me. Thinking you could live without me. Baby, I'm the one who puts you up there. I don't know why. Yes, my dear, I am definitely going to try again. Let's see. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. Like we used to. Okay, so that is all-time fave. I don't want to bother you by all-time fave, but we talk today. So what's up? What's up? What's up? We talked today. I communicated with you. Okay, a beautiful, beautiful. Three more items to go, Emmanuel. Yes, my dear, we try again. Let's see. Hi, Jay. Good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you. How is it going? Jay Best. Good to have you. How is it going over that side? Guys, let us get into with our second. Okay. We used to do. Beautiful. That is our second attempt. Let's see for the remaining T. Sharon. Hi, Sharon. Good to have you. Good to have you. How is it going? How is it going over that side? Hope all is well. Joshua, what strategy are you using as you trade? What strategy are you using? You're welcome. You are welcome. What is your trading strategy, Joshua? We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all before? Oh, we don't talk Joshua, we would have talked much or talked about a lot because actually wanted to take us through the alligator indicator and the MACD as well. But today I got a lot of disturbances, so I started off flat. But trust me, I will make it up to you. I will make it up to you. You know, at times it becomes quite something if we are into the donations, and then I also have to focus on sharing here and there. But on the chart over here, I have no problem with it. So let me hope with the alligator indicator, at least you have picked something and you know about the green line, the red line, and the blue line. So the green line is the one that moves fastest, okay? We consider it so much. It's the line actually that we consider the most because it's the one that crosses the other two lines. And over there, definitely we get to know that when it crosses the other two lines to the upside, we are having a signal that we are developing a trend or an uptrend. If we cross to the downside, then it gives us that we are crossing or we are definitely having a downtrend. So it gives us that signal. But most importantly, we as traders, how we use it to identify that direction of the market. Of course, depending on what direction they are separating to, that clearly gives us another aspect in the market. Okay, so we start looking at things differently. Okay, to keep you up all night, don't you need somebody? Okay, so we are having our first winner over here. That is Brian. Congratulations. Maybe just keep it on your secret. Okay. Oh, don't you need somebody to keep you up all night? Don't you need somebody? Don't you need somebody? Okay, that is so far we are looking at 1,500 as our take profit. And we have the first win over there. Not good at all. Not good at all. The way the market reversed on us was just so incredible. Oh goodness, that is for so far. We did not even get a chance to ride. Okay, so sorry about that. Don't you need somebody to keep you up all night? Don't you need somebody? Don't let me. Okay, that is 450 US dollars, 2 items for Jackson Trader. I love the way Jackson Trader is consistent. Even if he has closed in a loss, he knows how the market is unpredictable. He always keeps coming through. That is the kind of spirit that we need as traders. However much you get thrown down, however much you make those losses, keep going, keep going. Just that risk management should be at your fingertips. You should hold on too tightly to risk management. I love you. Okay, let's see for our second attempt. As you walk to me, don't need apologies. Okay. Okay. Congratulations. That is for Jackson Trader. Congratulations. Congratulations. There is no freedom. They're gonna just be free. Unconditionally. Open up your heart. Unconditionally. Okay, that is to the wallet. Congratulations once again. Also, let's see. Unconditionally. Unconditionally. That is 350 US dollars, 3 attempts. Unconditionally. Time. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, lara. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, lara. Lara. Okay, so let us get started off. Let us get started off. That is for Otto. Okay, over here I'm seeing Adar. Hi Adar, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Good to have you today. I've been a little mixed up here and there. So sorry about that. Actually, you're saying you're late, but actually I started off very, very late. I started off a bit earlier, but then I got some technical issues, so I went off for around like 15 minutes. So I also came in late. So you're not late, my darling. You're not late at all. Okay, Ferguson. You Jamaican? Oh my goodness. No, my dear, I'm not one, but truly, that is the one country that I have to visit. Beautiful. Time, 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 time. It's Wayne. Hi, Dwayne. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. It has been a minute. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay, beautiful. Let's go for the very last attempt for Otso. Okay, Rufus. Hi, Rufus. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. How are you doing today? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay, congratulations to Otto over here. Congratulations. We close in profits. That is Margin. Hi, Margin. Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. How is your day going? That is okay. Explain how you know when to buy and sell. How to know when to buy and to sell. First of all, I have a strategy that I'm using, which is price action. So I focus so much on three factors. That is knowing what direction I'm in. After knowing the direction that I'm in, if we are, that is for an uptrend, market structure comes in. I definitely look at the higher highs and the higher lows. Okay, break of structure gives me a clear picture on what to do. Are you a trend trader, or you are trading in reversals? So if we are trend traders with the market direction, you get that particular direction that you are in, say for an uptrend. All right, definitely we have break of structure over there. Pullback comes in. If you know how to trade at a pullback, that is a clear and open opportunity for you to place in your pullback entries, right? For an uptrend, still those will be sell entries. After the pullback closes, all right, we are definitely going to have a continuation depending on the candlestick formation. Okay, are we having candlestick formations or the candlestick patterns that are showing us that we are going to move in an uptrend? Okay, if we are having that, plus in your buy entries. What does that tell you? It tells you that know about the candlestick patterns. Okay, so we have a number of candlestick patterns. So for you to know when to place in a trade, when to sell and to buy, it's not difficult, but know about the direction you're in, know about the market structure. Okay, so over here we are in a bearish direction, but as you can see we are having a trend, a pullback formation. Okay, so over there you can place in your buy entry. All right, if not, you wait for the pullback to close, and then you look at the candlestick formations after the pullback close. Are they giving you a continuation, or they are actually giving you a reversal? So those are some of the things that you focus on for you to place in an entry. All right. So at the end of the day, the candlestick patterns refine your entries. Okay, do not forget that. They always refine your entries. So after the close of a pullback over there, my anticipation was actually a continuation, but oh dear. We have closed in our loss, that is for our first attempt. Let's give it one more try and we see. I need a girl like you, yeah, 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 you, yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you. Okay, Habib, you are most welcome. Thank you, my dear. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so let us get into it. With this is 300 US dollars. Let's see how we close. Okay, so after the close of a pullback, I anticipate a continuation. Let's see. Oh dear. I do not love those flips at all, at all, at all. Oh, the second attempt, we have still closed in a loss. The market just decided to kick me in the leg. So sorry about that. Maybe it's 6:45. Maybe I'm barely alive. Maybe you faking my shit for the last time. Yeah. Okay. Maybe I know that I'm drunk. Maybe I know you're the one. Maybe I'm thinking it's better if you drive. That is for Mateo. We are looking at 3,000 as our take profit. Oh dear, oh dear. What exactly is going on today? Today, the market is really, really bad. Really, really bad. I do not know. That was for Mateo. So sorry about that. Let's see for shadow. Let us give it a try. Let us do our very best, anyways. Okay. Jay is saying Rufus is not lucky, even one attempt didn't get through. And this is the second time. Really? This is the first time I'm trading for Rufus. Unless, but I don't remember ever trading for Rufus. This is the first time I'm trading for him, and unfortunately, we have been unlucky. For shadow, we have collected some profits over here. Maybe we're perfect strangers. Maybe it's not forever. Maybe the land will change us. Maybe we'll stay together. Maybe we'll walk away. Maybe we'll realize we're only human. Maybe we don't need no reason. Okay, let's see for Toby, then we get on to our next list. Come on, come on, come on. Baby, we don't need no reason why. Come on, come on, come on. No one but you got me feeling this way. There's so much we can't explain. Today's market is really, really crazy. I did not know. Market fluctuations are in the air. Okay, we are looking at 2,500. Let's go. You know, there are those times or there are those days when the market is moving smoothly. Like you can also see that today the market is definitely in our favor. But today's market, you clearly have anticipations and they all get flipped out. Let's see after this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Baby, we don't need no reason why. Come on, come on, come on. only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. That is Lumi. Okay. 2 items. Let's see. Today's market, I am not in love with it at all. At all. Call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. Only one call away. Okay, that is a first plus of them. The fact that the market is flipping, the market is just doing what it does best today, getting on our nerves. I do not know. I'm doing my very best to stay positive here, guys. I'm doing my very, very best. Okay. That is amazing, and it is a congratulations for Lomi. I'm only one call away. I'll be strong. I'm gonna keep holding on. And don't you worry. I am definitely. Let us see. Let us see. we started off. We had started off the session on definitely a good mode, but then the market just doing what it does best. That is mixing us up. Okay, so let's see for Weston. I'm only one call away. I'm only one call away. Hey, hey, hey. So for Western, we are taking it for 2 items. Let's stick to positivity, guys. We are not losing it out. Okay. As you see over there, some bit of consolidation wanted to drag us down, but we managed to close in a plus. She wanna ride like a cruise, and I'm not trying to lose. Can you let them touch unless I start crying? You're a sunflower. I think your love would be too much, or you'd be left in the dust unless I start crying. You're the sunflower. You're the sunflower. Every time I'm leaving on you, you don't make it easy, no. Wish I could be there for you. Give me the reason to. Every time I'm walking out, I can hear you Okay, so let us get into with our next participant. Okay, just 1 second over there. Okay, so let us get into with Persephone. Okay, I'm saying that is decoded crimes. You mentioned our name yesterday, yet it didn't appear on the list and it wasn't traded. Is something the problem? What name did I mention? Decoded crimes. What name did I mention? Okay, so let us get into it. 5 atoms. Okay. Okay, Rostov. Yesterday, I actually talked to you. I talked to you over here, but I did not say that I had actually traded for you. I mentioned the name here because Rostov had told me about the name. in which the donation was sent in. All right. That's why I mentioned the name, but it did not mean that I traded for you. No, I did not. I did not trade for you. So that is what I'm actually working on to see that at least it gets traded. If you feel you're sinking, I will jump right over into cold, cold water for you. And although time may take us into different places, I will still be patient with you. And I want you to know I won't let go. I'll be your lifeline tonight. I won't let go. I'll be your lifeline tonight. 'Cause we all get lost sometimes, you know. It's how we learn and how we grow. And I wanna live with the tempo. Okay, so we keep going. Those are 3 attempts so far. 2 more to go. Hi, Kofi. Hi, Kofi. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you. Okay, so that is for Rostov. One thing you should know is that definitely if I get the donation, it's going to be worked on. You should not worry about that, okay? It is definitely going to be worked on because at the end of the day, why keep someone's donation, okay? So please, it's going to be worked on. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Oh, guys, I hate today's market so much. I do not know. I feel I'm unhappy. I'm really unhappy. Not good at all. Not good at all. Let's see for Nico 4 items. The market is driving me crazy, Sanjay. It is definitely driving me crazy. So shiny. In the morning when the sun comes rising up, shiny. In the afternoon, but you just can't get enough. Shiny. In the evening, satisfaction guaranteed. I got you gotta try me. Try me. Talk to me. Let's go and find a place and get to know each other more. It's all on your face. I know you like what you see. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm the one for you, baby, but you can take your time. Let the music bring your body. Okay, guys, at the end of the day, no giving up. No giving up. At whatever cost, no giving up. The market is definitely acting up. but we are not giving up at whatever cost. You gotta try me. I wanna feel your skin up on mine. Like I already know you. I'm grabbing ass from behind. That's me, that's you, right? I get chills from the spine. That's me, that's you, right? Girl, we might be meant to be. Try me in the morning when the sun comes rising up. Try me in the afternoon, but you just can't get enough. Try me, satisfaction guaranteed. I know it's you gotta try me. I know it's you gotta try me. You try me, baby. Ooh, for all my love. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. For all my love. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, yeah. One slow for your boy. At the moment when I am trying to deal with a bad market today. Okay, so WebJack Tech, I'm going to request you for a favor, because by the time you do not see your name, that simply means that I've really checked and I'm not finding your donation. I'm going to request you, help me, send me a message on Telegram, right, with a proof of a proof that you sent in money, and then also share with me the wallet that you sent in, that that you shared. All right, please. So help me with that. Or what you can do right now, you can share with me your wallet, okay, and then I can start from there. But of course, guys, if you see that I've taken long to trade your donation, okay, it does not mean anything else. It doesn't. If I see it, I definitely add it on my list. But if I'm having a challenge finding it, then please work with me. Okay, give me the details that I need to use and find your donation. As simple as that. We are here to work together, so let's work together. Okay, that is a humble request. So please send me the details on Telegram. All right, send me the proof of payment. That is number one. Then also share with me your wallet. He wakes me, freaking me out. Till I think about you. Okay, so these three, that is cropped over there. These will be our last ones for the donation. If a day has not gone well, guys, remember, better days are yet to come. All right. So please do not always stick on the negativity or the loss that has actually happened. Please Be positive, better days are yet to come. So, Brufus, my brother, please. So sorry about today's loss, but better days, better days. And definitely make it a point to learn how to trade such that at least with smaller amounts, you do trade for yourself. You make some small or risk managed entries, all right, or trades. So please just make sure that you have it in your hands. That is beautiful. You start off, you trade slowly by slowly. Eventually things get much better. Okay. But for as long as you came into trading with one heart and full of love for trading, never allow the negative part to take you out, all right? Never allow it. You're seeing today the market is really not good. Last time, I think yesterday or the other day, someone was telling me, but for you always close in profits. It's not like that, right? There are those good days and those bad days. But at the end of the day, it does not mean that it's my setup that is wrong or I should change my strategy or anything. No, at times, actually, most of the times, the market just does what it does best. Just to disorganize us, to make us feel like we do not know exactly what we are doing. When the market is stable, you see how much we can get from the market. But sometimes when the market is just crazy, market fluctuations here and there, high volatilities, things just do not turn out the way we expect them to, all right? So you keep moving, you keep taking it one step at a time, and eventually things get better. Better than we can. Okay, so we have one more attempt to go. Miss Ashish, please teach me this strategy. It is always good and always best if you come through a bit early. Right now we have just a few minutes to close our session. All right. But if you come through early and you tell me, you know what, Lena, let us talk about the strategy. Okay. We talk about it. I will take you through from one bit to the very end. I come through at 3 p.m. That is Canadian time. Okay. That is Canadian time. So if you keep time, you come through early. When you are in the comment section or when you join the live, please do not keep quiet. Tell me immediately that you know what, Lena. Let us talk about the strategy, and I give you all the time. We talk about each and every small bits of it. All right. So I'm going to request you to come through early tomorrow. Of course, we are here to learn, and there is no way I can refuse to teach you. I was also taught, and I appreciate the people who taught me. So I feel it at heart to also give back to other people. All right. So that is a humble request. Come through early. Let's learn together. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Today. Let's see. Let's see about Winfred. Winifred. Evans, whenever you see me here, it's always our time as traders. So we need to use it, all right? We need to use it because the main purpose or the main point for my live sessions are for us to learn, all right? So if we do not use that time to learn, when shall we learn? So always come through early, let us learn, because it's always the donations that come last. But in the beginning of the session, I always, as I'm doing my personal tradings, we are also learning. We are catching on some trading tips, and then we are also sharing trading experiences. All right, so please just make it a point. Just make it a point to come in. So hard. I'm telling you, I'm telling you, I'm telling you, I'm telling you. God, you want. I want it. I want it. Just feel next year. Okay, that is our first attempt. We've closed in a loss. Let us give it one more try. I want it. Just get on next year. It's so hard, so hard. So hard. Beautiful. Look at that. Okay, so let's go for our second attempt and see. Hi Arnold. Hi Arnold. What's up? What's up? Really? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We are in consolidation over here. We talked about the tangled three lines, as you can see it over there. So that simply means that you need to know. You need to know how to trade through consolidation. You need to know how to trade through consolidation until you either break below or you break above. That is when you start seeing trend developing. All right. Okay. So it looks like the sellers want to take over and they are taking us out of consolidation. Okay. It's always a good time. Good morning, good night. Hi Khaled, hi Khaled, what's up, what's up, what's up? Good to have you, good to have you. Okay, Khaled, all the way from India. Namaste, namaste, or should I greet you, Vanaka? You know, right now I know about very many languages, so please, you can tell me. I have people like Sanjay over here, all the way from Sri Lanka, and they are teaching me. They've taught me a word or two. So I know some people from India, also great Vanakam. Then others, I think, namaste. So, word you for Khaled. Okay. I like. Thank you, Rufus. Balance. Okay. Okay. Sanjay, we keep it going. We keep it rolling. That is our last participant called Son Fox. Mhm. It's always a good time. Okay. Okay. Let us see. So, guys, today has been not good in the market. I will say that. Okay, so let us believe for the very best tomorrow. Never give up, never lose the hope. We keep going. Okay, so guys, that is it for today. I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Just dream.